Sweet Pea. We have Minnie here to open up Sweet Pea, our huge Play-Doh Shopkins surprise egg. It's so big, and there are some fun things inside. And make sure you stay to the end because we have a Season 3 Shopkins surprise basket. Woohoo! Minnie, are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready to open up Sweet Pea?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Sweet pea. Octonauts. Miss Mushy-Moo. Soy chili. Onion. Woohoo, onion. Peachy. Season 3.
Peachy again. Yeah. It's Peachy. Put it right next to this Peachy. Oh, Peachy.
She likes us. PEA Shopkins.
Bye-bye, Sweet Pea.
Bye-bye.